My name is Carmen Hutter. I'm a travel photographer. I specialize on landscape photography with a human element to it. It actually took me a really long time to find the creative soul inside of myself, but then I started traveling, I started experiencing so many different cultures and places, and that pushed me to be creative and try tell the stories of the experiences that I have around the world. So I see the most magical sunrises, I get to see the Milky Way or a shooting star. Beautiful. Wow. It allows me to connect with so many different people. My first ever camera actually was a Sony a6000, and that inspired my entire career for me. So the Sony Alpha series is pretty much the reason why I'm standing here. Being able to rely on my equipment is pretty much the #1 most important thing. The a7 IV is able to keep up with the pace that I move in really well. The new 33 megapixels sensor is the absolute perfect fit. It can handle low light really, really well, and the colors are very accurate. I also immediately saw the new flip screen, which is going to make all these low angles so much more comfortable for me. What really impresses me about this new camera is the enhanced ergonomics. The a7 IV felt so comfortable in my hand. The viewfinder is a lot sharper. The colors have been enhanced and a lot more accurate, and that is gonna vastly improve my post-processing, and also when I'm on the shoot, I can just focus on what I wanna create. The a7 IV is a real game changer. This camera incorporates so many of the new enhancements we see in the Alpha One while still being really attainable, and I think that is a really powerful combination. There's going to be a lot of new open doors for new creatives that will inspire us and push us all to become better at what we do. The new standard for what the shooting experience should feel and look like.
Ryan here. In this video, I am very excited to introduce a new product in our award-winning range of podcasting, streaming, and broadcast microphones, the PodMic USB. When the original PodMic was introduced, it quickly became the go-to mic for podcasters, streamers, and content creators. Hailed for its classic looks, incredible sound and build quality, and affordable price. A great sound without needing any technical audio knowledge. The USB output is not only compatible with Mac and Windows computers, it can also be used with both Apple and Android mobile devices, meaning you can record a broadcast-grade podcast from literally anywhere. It is also fully compatible with both our Rode Connect podcasting software and Unify virtual mixing software for powerful audio mixing and routing when recording podcasts or live streaming from your computer. These features make the PodMic USB more versatile than any other microphone out there. Perfect for everything from podcasting in the studio with something like the Rodecaster Pro 2, or your favorite audio interface, through to plugging it straight into a laptop or even a smartphone and making pro quality recordings on the road. And there you have it, guys. That is the PodMic USB. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy recording.
When creating the Logitech Reach, we wanted to understand how people were working at their desks and sharing their thoughts with others, or educating others when dealing with non-digital content. This show and tell experience was being limited by the tools available, as these were designed to provide a static view where the content was being moved in front of the camera, disrupting the flow of the person presenting and creating lapses in engagement for the person viewing the content. Therefore, we sought to create the key elements people needed to enable an engaging, interactive show and tell experience. They wanted to know that the product would be out of the way when not in use and could be easily set up and activated for use. From here, we sought to create a truly intuitive one-handed experience to move the viewpoint to the content to deliver engaging narratives. This can be broken down into three key parts: horizontal reach and coverage, independent vertical positioning to enable things like zoom, and a pivoting camera head to unlock even more use cases. The horizontal reach and coverage for this product allows you to freely position the camera in the horizontal plane while keeping the image upright, all by gripping the camera ring and moving to your desired location. You get a large visual area that's expansive thanks to this movement. The vertical positioning allows you to go from showing the big picture to being able to focus on the details, all by pressing down on the lever button and moving the camera bar closer or further away. Finally, the camera head pivots to provide different vantage points for engaging and interactive demonstrations. All this to ensure that the camera is within reach and you can stay in the flow to show your audiences your point of view and engage them every time, whether they're in the same space or far, far away. Thanks so much for taking the time to learn about Logitech Reach.
Sitting like this or like... So Monoblocc is a new kind of monitor rigging system. It's a VESA plate that you sandwich between your monitor and your monitor arm, to which you can attach pretty much any equipment that you might need. Webcams, a really nice podcast mic, LEDs all around your monitor without additional tripods or desk clamps. The beauty of the system is that it's really for everything. You can go for office type 27-inch monitor, or you can go also for the ultra wide.
Our mounting plate supports both 75mm and 100mm VESA standards. Since most monitor arms support both holes, you can first attach the mounting plate to your monitor arm with these nifty flush screws. In our case here, we use the 75mm spaced holes for attaching the mounting plate to the monitor arm and have the 100mm holes for the monitor. 15mm rods are then attached to the mounting block and stick out past the edge of the monitor.
It is utilizing equipment that is available in the market. So all the connecting pieces, they are ubiquitous. You can find them easily off the shelves. You can utilize third-party attachments if you want. Anything that you commonly find in a tripod setup, you can connect to this. I really needed it for myself. You want to have a clean desk. If you have a clean desk, you have a clean mind, you have a clear mind. It's really been a crazy year for prototyping, sourcing. What we really need now is the support of the Kickstarter backers and make this project a reality and bring it to life.
We can all agree that a tripod is one of the most powerful tools for any filmmaker. It's your adventure buddy on your quest for that perfect shot. But not just any tripod will do. It needs to be versatile, sturdy, and easy to use in any environment and situation you find yourself in. This is where our main protagonist comes into the story. The SIRUI Rapid Tripod System. Constructed from a blend of tough aluminum and lightweight carbon fiber, this tripod is designed to conquer any terrain or weather. Dense forests, rugged rocks, unpredictable rivers, seaside, rain, you name it, and the removable horseshoe mount helps you adapt to any surface, therefore achieving stable shots from places most filmmakers wouldn't be able to capture. The SVT75 tripod is designed with simplicity and speed in mind by utilizing a one-step flip-lock releasing tripod legs that lets you set up and change height of the tripod effortlessly. With a maximum height of 1,530 millimeters and a minimum of 210 millimeters, it gives you the versatility to capture low-angle shots and avoid obstacles to reach your subject. To achieve maximum stability, the center spreader helps you stabilize the entire system and can easily be removed for low-angle shooting. All of this combined with a maximum payload of 25 kilograms makes this tripod a reliable workhorse that is designed to adapt to any situation. The SIRUI Rapid Tripod System also offers SVH15, a drag control video fluid head that will help you achieve silky smooth and precise panning, tilting, and rolling shots. The SVH15 offers a side-loading quick-release plate for fast and easy camera mounting paired with a 15 kilogram payload capacity. By utilizing the built-in 7+0 counterbalance step system that ranges between 4 to 15 kilograms, as well as a 75mm half bowl that can be adjusted with a simple handle twist, you'll be able to adjust and properly balance any camera rig. For more complicated camera moves, you also have the opportunity to use two handles at the same time. The SVT75 and the SVH15 combined deliver solid performance with smooth and precise control over your shots and any camera movement. Both simple and complicated. The SIRUI Rapid Tripod System is a tool that will help you capture the world from unique angles and guide you to places most filmmakers wouldn't be able to get to.
Need an intelligent smartphone stabilizer that's as creative as you are?
Sure.
Meet Osmo Mobile 6. It's powerful, easy to use, and makes your video super smooth with 3-axis stabilization for results that speak for themselves.
Is it heavy?
Not at all. It's ultralight and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere, like here or here. And with its magnetic design, you can snap your phone on or off in an instant.
What should I do with it?
Get creative with a new zoom and manual focus control wheel and some excellent intelligent features. You can use the built-in extension rod to capture more dynamic angles. Active Track 5.0 for effortless subject tracking. Like that. Or try gesture control if you're shooting alone. It even has a newly added status panel and 4 preset filming modes that give you great shots anywhere you go.
What if I need a little help?
No problem. There are 2 intuitive apps for shooting and editing. Get some great ideas in the Mimo app's shot guide section. Or you could one-tap edit with the Light Cut app. You can even share your masterpiece in seconds.
Are there any cool accessories?
Absolutely. It's compatible with DJI mic if you need pro-level audio. And it works with a versatile fill light that makes you look great in selfies and vlogs.
Okay, last question. Can I film my dog with it?
Of course you can.
Perfect.
Creators are always looking for gear that travels well, but there hasn't been a gimbal that's both pro-level and ultra-portable until now. Introducing DJI RS3 Mini, a travel-size stabilizer designed for those who move light. Weighing less than 2 pounds, RS3 Mini is just half the size and weight of RS3 Pro, while delivering effortless, ultra-flexible, single-handed use. The new dual-layered quick-release plate features a curved placement guide, which fixes your camera securely in place so you can shoot confidently. Integrated Bluetooth shutter means direct recording control for faster shooting when the moment demands it. And with the ergonomic front dial, it also enables optical or digital zoom without having to use a control cable. RS3 Mini has a best-in-category payload capacity, letting it easily handle the setups creators love to use. Powered with the latest RS stabilization algorithm, it can help you get footage that's impossible when shooting just handheld. It can go vertical without having to add any components, giving you social media-ready content with the same control experience as you get in horizontal mode. Your favorite features, like a 1.4-inch touchscreen and NATO port, are also standard on RS3 Mini. Capture all day long with up to 10 hours of operation time on a full charge. Take it anywhere, tackle any shot, adapt to any moment. Move light with RS3 Mini.